Okay guys, this is the second part of that loading. I'm sorry, it was loading registry drivers and it did shut down after doing so. Let me go ahead and get you in on the Windows certificate here. Okay. Waiting for it to load up, okay? This is it. And the reason the score is this way because it doesn't have any graphics. Basically, I'll show you guys. Okay, here we are. See, graphics performance. It needs a graphics card. This is a UATX. It doesn't have any big time onboard graphics, so the score is going to be very low. As you can see, the other scores are very high. And the only reason it's not, is not up to par is because of the onboard graphics. There aren't many. There aren't hardly any. So I'm gonna recommend to the client to get a graphics card. Something simple, maybe a 1 gig graphics card that works with this desktop. So okay, I just wanted to show you guys this. Let you guys see the work. And I'll go ahead and shut it down. I'm going to go ahead and take it to the client and show them everything that I did with the computer. So it's going to be a minute. So I appreciate you guys for viewing. Thank you. Join me on Instagram, OMGMyPC. Or Facebook, you can find me under Michael Moore, M-O-R. Thank you guys very much. Shut down. And this is under 64-bit. Sorry, I meant to tell you guys. Alright. Bye, guys.